Hey there, Halloween enthusiasts! Get ready to transform your kids' bath time into a spooktacular adventure with our 9-pack Halloween bath bombs for kids, complete with surprise toys inside. These bath bombs are not only super cute with designs like spiders, pumpkins, ghosts, and more, but they're also made from natural, environment-friendly ingredients, ensuring a safe and skin-friendly experience for your little ones. Each bath bomb releases a unique scent, ranging from strawberry and orange to lavender and coconut, turning bath time into a fragrant, colorful, and bubbly delight. As the bath bombs dissolve, watch your kids' excitement grow as they guess which squishy Halloween toy will emerge next, making it an unforgettable Halloween treat. Perfect for trick-or-treat giveaways, class gift exchanges, or just a fun bath time surprise, these bath bombs are suitable for all ages and genders. Remember, if you're new to bath bombs, test a small amount in the sink first to ensure no allergic reactions. We value your trust and are committed to ensuring your satisfaction, so if you encounter any issues, our customer service team is here to help. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.